Good day, folks. Alright, starting a new adventure here in model building. As you can see, it's the BMW R75 German Motorcycle with sidecar. It only has 3 screws with parts. Should be a fun little build here. I was going to build the Fighter Zero next, but I decided that I'm going to have a go at this motorcycle. I think it's going to be a fun build. It's another Tamiya kit. Been really enjoyed building it half track, which is still not finished. So here we go. I'm going to try to do a full build log on this one as much as I can, take some pictures and video and all that fun stuff and share it. But yeah, this should be a fun build and I look forward to it. Hope you come along for the ride, and feel free to leave a comment below. That's it. Have a good day.